Hey Natural Method YouTube, if your shoulder look like this and you are getting upper shoulder and neck pain, I'm sorry to say that you have rounded shoulders. Using the natural method, I'm going to show you some stretches. They will relax your muscles and with practice, your shoulders will realign. Let's get started. With both hands in the fist position and move your shoulder upward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring your elbow upward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move your shoulder backward. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you are rotating back enough, you will feel the tension in your shoulders. 4, 5. In this position and stretch backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch elbow downward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring hands all the way back and stretch back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your arms need to be behind your head. 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch both hands all the way back. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you stretch, make sure your elbow goes past your ear. 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch all the way back and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both hands together and stretch up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't worry, bring your arms all the way back. 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch all the way up and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and drop your hands down. Do this 2 times a day, morning and evening, for 3 weeks, and leave a comment below with your daily progress.